Welcome to Cosine's Proof Point series. Each week we look at something new that Cosine has done. Today you're looking at solving PyTorch dependency issues from the CLI. Installing machine learning frameworks can get messy. Different GPU libraries often clash. Here the team needed a nightly PyTorch build, but importing it failed right away due to mismatched NVIDIA dependencies. Here is what we asked Cosine to do. Find out why PyTorch wouldn't load, track down which libraries were out of sync, fix the environment so GPU training could run. And here is what Cosine built. Cosine traced the failure to an outdated GPU library, then updated the environment to the correct versions. After reinstalling, PyTorch loaded cleanly. It ran checks to confirm everything, Torch and CUDA versions mods, the GPU was available, and even a quick matrix multiplication run on the device without errors. Here's what Cosine's impact was. Instead of hours of trial and error debugging, the environment now runs the exact nightly PyTorch build required, with GPU and distributed training fully working. Developers can move forward with training experiments without losing time to dependency mismatches. The engineers said this kind of debugging probably would have taken me all afternoon. Cosine solved it under an hour by systematically tracking and fixing the dependency chain. Do you have dependency issues? Check out how Cosine can help you.